These are wild raspberries. They're a great wild berry that tastes a lot like the store-bought ones. They're pretty small, but there is bigger ones, and they're called salmon berries. Wild raspberries are a little bit sweeter and have a little better flavor than store-bought raspberries. Before you eat them, you want to check the top, make sure there's no bugs in them. They're also great because they have no poisonous lookalikes that look anything like a raspberry. And if the berries aren't ready or they're all gone, don't leave yet, because you can use the leaves to make a tea that'll relieve cold symptoms. They're overall a great berry to forage for. So yeah, pretty cool. Like and subscribe for more cool plant content.